Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Threads. So guys, Threads is an excellent app. Thread is an app that will make your life more interesting. And it is a new social media platform that has spread around the world very quickly. Since this app has spread all over the world, there are many ways to earn money with this app. Like if you are an influencer and you have something to promote, then you can share and use this app very nicely. And if you need a job or need to connect with someone, then also you can use this app because the famous creators of the world are using this app and they are checking regularly. So this is a great opportunity to earn money. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.